Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the figure closely for cracks, glued parts, or decals that might lift. This tells you where to be gentle. Next, warm water or a controlled heat source is required. You want about 60 to 80 degrees C for many plastics, not boiling. Put on gloves and have towels ready, and remove any accessories that could warp differently. Once done, position clamps or soft pliers for reshaping so you can move immediately when the plastic becomes pliable. You heat only the warped area, not the whole figure. Immerse the torso or limb in hot water for 30–90 seconds or aim a heat gun from 20 to 30 cm on low, moving constantly. As the material softens, gently bend it toward the correct form and hold with a clamp or a custom mold. Slower, controlled pressure avoids kinks. Make sure to check paint and decals while shaping. Once the contour looks right, stop heating and let the part cool gradually so you finish by locking the pose and testing articulation through a few controlled movements. Reattach accessories only after confirming stability. If a crease or memory returns, repeat brief heat cycles, but lower the temperature by 5 to 10 degrees and increase hold time rather than going hotter. This reduces surface damage. Make sure to monitor painted areas. If paint softens or bubbles, stop immediately and cold soak that spot to stabilize the finish. Troubleshooting tip: if a joint remains
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.